Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram push notifications not working. Get ready to go into your profile section on your account, then go on the three dots, select settings and go for the second selection, notifications. Right after that, as you can see, if the first button is turned on, that means that you're gonna get and won't receive push notifications. That's why you need to make sure that this is turned off and it's not turned on. Now the next thing, you need to go on the second selection, post stories and comments, go for it. And now here, as you can see, you have many options right there, and what you need to know, if this is off, for example, you need to go for from people I follow to getting up to this site. Also, when you scroll down, you need to make sure that you don't have a section which is selected for off. And the last thing that is related to get up into it, just by getting off from your Instagram, going to your settings on your phone, scrolling down, going to applications, manage applications, then on the search box you need to type for the application. In this case is Instagram. You need to type Instagram, then you need to scroll down and go for notifications. Also here you need to make sure that the first button is not turned off. If it's turned off, go and turn it on to get up all these sections. After that, if it doesn't work again, just go and offload the application if you are on your iPhone, or just go on your Google Play Store and reinstall it, the application, if you're on Android. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon, guys.